Alright everybody, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, this right here is a carbon fiber piece for the license plate on the Eclipse. I just finished putting some more resin on top of it, and there's a resin right there, and I'm gonna let it all dry, sand it down with 600 grit, make it all smooth, and then finally clear it. So I've been making some progress in the carbon fiber this week. Actually made a couple of these, as you can see. This one just needs to be sanded down and painted clear. And then also I'm making a couple of the exhaust pieces right here. That's gonna be coming on pretty soon, as well as some of these. These are your rear bumper, kind of like a lip or whatever. So that one is gone. Then I got this one. It's been sold. I gotta ship it and it's ready to go. That's your front bumper holder, and yeah, that one is done. Got a couple of more things coming soon as well. I've been working on the engines as well, but got a couple of air duct inlets, as well as some valve cover as well. But yeah, this one is like I said, it's just curing right now. It should be dry pretty soon, and then I can continue working on the next step, which is of course sanding it and clearing it down. But yeah, like I said, just a lot of things happening here and there with this carbon fiber. It's pretty easy to do. Nothing special, guys. You just have to have a patience. It costs a lot, but it looks really nice on the car, I gotta say. But hey, anyway, just like I said, a little update what's going on, what I'm doing. And yeah, if you like this content, guys, make sure you like it, share, subscribe, of course, and I'll see you guys next time. Laters.